Definite and indefinite articles. Unlocking English grammar. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to explore a crucial part of English grammar: definite and indefinite articles. These may seem like small words, but they can make a big difference in how we understand and use English. So, let's dive in. Articles in English are tiny words that precede and modify nouns. They tell us if the noun is specific or unspecific. We have two types: definite and indefinite articles. The definite article in English is the, while the indefinite articles are a and n. The is known as the definite article because it specifies a particular noun we're talking about. For example, in the sentence, "Please close the door," we know that a specific door is being referred to. We use the regardless of whether the noun it modifies is singular or plural. For example, the cat, singular, and the cats, plural, are both correct. A and n are indefinite articles. They are used when the noun they are associated with is not specific. For example, if we say, "I saw a cat in the park," any cat in the park could be the one referred to. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound and n before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, a cat, consonant sound, and an apple, vowel sound, are the correct usages. While these rules hold true in most situations, English, like all languages, has its exceptions. For instance, we use n before words that start with a silent h, an hour. On the other hand, a is used before words where u and eu sound like u, such as in a university or a European tour. And there you have it. That's a basic introduction to definite and indefinite articles in English. We've just scratched the surface today, but with practice, using the a and n correctly will become second nature. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep practicing and stay curious. Until next time, happy learning.